yazi message namhlanje into engitaza kakhulu ngayo ukuthi ngiprepare ngazothi bengazi ukuthi nginawe kanti ubungifihlele. Imessage namhlanje izo resonate kakhulu neSouth Africa as a whole, I resonate with the individual. Ngithi namhlanje God is in control. uNkulunkulu is in control. Yazi khona elinye lamavesi engilithanda kakhulu lithi the king's heart is in the hand of the Lord.
Yes.
As the rivers of the water, he turns it as he will. Okusho ukuthi inhliziyo yenkosi, malisho njalo iBhayibheli lisuke lingasho ukuthi inkosi ekholwayo noma inkosi enje. Lithi inhliziyo yenkosi okusho ukuthi even an evil king, ngisho ngathiwa umbuso onenhliziyo embi kanjani, inhliziyo yakhe isuke isesandleni sikaNkulunkulu. Njengomfula ugwegweza, uNkulunkulu uyakwazi uthatha inhliziyo yenkosi ayithene around ukuze ifeze leli cebo lakho. Yazi masifunda indaba Moses yolanda abantwana bakwa-Israyeli eGibhithe siyasingayinaki le ndaba ukuthi yayikakhulu ngenhliziyo. uNkulunkulu was trying to show us ukuthi I can harden the heart, I can soften the heart. Namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma nomuntu mfethu ukuthi ungakhohlwa njalo ukuthi uNkulunkulu esimkholwayo uNkulunkulu okwazi ukuthatha inhliziyo ayiguqule ifeve yena. Njengoba unomphathi onenhliziyo embi oyisipoki, unama colleagues akunikeza inkinga emsebenzini, ngithi mina ungakhohlwa ukuthi iBhayibheli lithi inhliziyo yenkosi isesandleni sikaNkulunkulu. Uyakwazi ukuthi ayiguqule ngendlela ezonikeza yena udumo. Njengoba wena usubona ngazothi you are done because indawo kuyo is horrible, indawo kuyo is toxic. Vuma la ngikhona ngimbonile uNkulunkulu ekwazi ukuthatha umuntu onenhliziyo embi amenze akunikeze le promotion ebekade kunqabela yona. Njalo ngelinye ilanga uthola mfethu yabona Vuma ngeke ngezwe omunye uprofessor mfethu uprofessor oweza kumina sinonkosikazi wathi yazi Thulane noMpilo ngicela ukunitshena lento ningakhohlwa ukuthi amagama enu amenyezwa kuma boardroom eningakaze nibe kuwo.
Thulane noMpilo.
And leyo nto mfethu yayiqiniso because ngempela there was something that was happening but our names were being discussed in boardrooms that we've never been. Lapha mfethu abantu khona ama boardrooms ongangeni kuwo ngoba bekubona uyisibotho bekubona ulow class but kulawo ma boardrooms you are being discussed. Ukuthi yazi le position sibahlulile bonke but there is somebody that we can give this position. Ngisalapho Vuma ngikhulume kanje mfethu khona inkinga uNkulunkulu anokuyiletha community noma kwi-society esekunikile solution ezokwenza ukuthi nomuntu okuzondayo asho ukuthi yazi siyamzonda lona kodwa uyena kuphela umuntu ongayenza lento. Ngicela ukudlula la mfethu Vuma ngifuna ukuvezela abantu ukuthi ngisho ama criminals igebengu uNkulunkulu yakwazi ukucontrol inhliziyo zabo. Ngisamncane khona istory sinoxoxwe ekhaya ukuthi ngekhathi zeyibhelu mfethu kusaliwe la odlame bepolitiki kuthiwa saphambana nequlu lamadoda mfethu yabo ngisayintwana le genge yangidlalisa yabo yadlalisa umfana omncane nje how cute boy you know ngicute inkokheli bangidlalisa nkokheli. The following day masesizwe ekhaya kuthiwa mfethu the same group esiphambane nayo yangidlalisa mina ilima zabanye abantu ababelandela kamuva. God is able to control even inhliziyo yezigebengu mfethu. Umuntu obethu uzokudestroya adlule kuwe akudlalise instead of destroying you. Last point mfethu. There's a powerful story sithole eBhayibhelini ngoDaniel mabemphose emabhubesini. Lithi iBhayibheli mabemphose emabhubesini kwakufana amudla amabhubesi avesana aphenduka abangani bawo. uNkulunkulu washintsha iappetite yamabhubesi. Kuthiwa the next time kufakwa abanye abantu amabhubesi lithi iBhayibheli ngicela ulifunde kahle lithi iBhayibheli lawo madoda aphoswa kuleliso emthando lento yamabhubesi they did not touch the floor. Amabhubesi mfethu they devoured them before they touch. Ngicela mfethu umuntu acheck lento eBhayibhelini lithi iBhayibheli they never touched the ground and amabhubesi abadevour besasemoyeni but wenza uNkulunkulu uthi control inhliziyo yamabhubesi ukuthi they must befriend uDaniel. Whatever you're going through today, God is in control. Whether it's a political leader or whoever, God is in control, can turn the heart of a king. God is love. Amen.